Alright friends, so it is November 13th and we have our first snow flurry of the year. We got a little bit coming down. You can see it's on top of the cars, but I don't think it's gonna stick. We're not scheduled to have any snow. It just happens to be that cold, and we had a lot of rain the last couple days, so it's just a little bit. But hey, we got snow. You can see that all of the leaves have fallen. We have no more leaves left on our trees. They are completely bare. The only ones that are green are our evergreens, and we've got a few of those up in the mountains. But it's definitely feeling like winter. It's about 32 right now. It's cold. It's beautiful though. Absolutely beautiful. All right, friends, so while we're out here, let's go ahead and head down to the barn and see how all the animals are doing in this cold weather, and check on our baby pigs and see how they are enjoying their first winter. All right, so this is our last broody mama of 2022. She had just one baby and it looks to be a sapphire gem. She is so cute. Let's see if she'll let us see her. All right, so we'll go ahead and go inside the barn right now. My father-in-law, I believe, has the fire going, so it should be nice and warm in there. Oh yeah. Come on. Jared, come on. Come on.
You know what I have to do is open up those cages over there.
Uh-huh.
Because my little girl comes out and runs over there to lay her egg.
Uh-oh.
I get you on the line.
All right, so this is the inside of our chicken coop, and it is much warmer in here than it is outside. All of our ladies are still waiting to get out of bed. They are warm and they don't want to go out in the cold yet. And this is why.
I don't even want to go outside.
Right? That's what I need in my house. I mean, my house is warm. I have central air and heat, but I love fires, and that would be so nice to have in the living room. So let's head over and see how the piggies are doing. Let me see if I can show you our newest chickens that we got. Our neighbor actually brought them over to us, and they are called salmons. They look just like Americanas, but they are a salmon color. These are funny chickens. They have tons of personality. So we have two of those. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can feed them. That is Miss Bigfoot, and she molted about a month ago, and so she stayed inside because she couldn't fly up into the coop. So she stayed inside this part of the barn in the nesting boxes, and ever since then, she's fully feathered now. She still goes into the nesting box and sleeps in there. She does not go into the chicken coop with the rest of the chickens. But these sapphires as well, they do not go into the big chicken coop. They stay in the nesting boxes. One of them has a funny foot and she cannot jump. So she can't get up as high as she needs to. The nesting boxes are about as high as she can go. And we have steps for her to go up the nesting box so that she has somewhere safe to sit, and her sister stays with her. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and feed our big girls right now. Since coming back from Virginia and seeing Kaylee, we have put these girls on a diet because that might be a reason why they have not been able to be bred as well. So they are on a diet and they're doing just fine on that diet.
They like that.
That's the scoop?
Oh, the scoop? Oh, it's got it over there.
All right, they are fat and happy, so let's go check in on the babies and see how they are doing.
20, half an hour. So they learn how to eat it, so then the good stuff comes in now.
Let's see how they are doing. So our little Hermione is an escape artist. She got out yesterday and she ran right back in because she was hungry and she knew we had the feed. But we got to be careful when we open the door because she likes to run out. Look at them. They know it's food time. They are excited to eat.
Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. It's coming. It's coming. There you go. It's really wet. They like it. Look what she does. They only get one scoop each. Lunchtime to get one. Another one. Go eat all that. See?
So they are doing just fine, and they get along perfectly fine. They are definitely best friends, these two, and they are definitely getting bigger. They don't seem to mind the cold that much. They also have their heater right there. All right, so everybody is doing great on this cold, cold morning. These are our newest males. Well, they are the babies that we hatched out, but they are really, really pretty. These are our two roosters that we hatched out. Not sure if we're keeping them yet. As long as they behave, they can stay. They start acting up, they gotta go. We have Mr. Tut, and he has been our rooster since back in California, and he is great with our ladies. He does not attack them and hurt them. We had a few that were way too mean, so we had to go ahead and get rid of them. We will see how these two do. Here we have our little bitty mama who raised 5 chickens. She is the smallest hen we have, and she raised 5 of them, and all 5 of them are still with her. She keeps a very close eye on her babies, and they are all way bigger than she is. Let's see if we can get in close. All right, so this white one right here is one of the babies, and right behind her is mama. And then the two barred rocks, those are also hers. This black one that's right there, that's hers. And that little bitty white one that's over there, that is hers as well. She has a lot of babies, and she takes care of every single one of them. All right, everybody's doing good right now this morning, so I'm gonna head back inside and warm up because it is chilly. Hope you enjoyed this short video, checking in on everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.